3,000 student minn kull rokna tad-dinja qegħdin juru interess sabiex jiġu jistudjaw il-mediċina fl-Iskola Medika ta' Barts f'Għawdex. Għal dan id-dekan tal-edukazzjoni tal-Iskola Medika ta' Barts, il-professur Anthony Warrens, illi qal li l-istudenti interessati għandhom fost l-ogħla kwalifiċi edukattivi.
We've had many thousands of inquiries from throughout the world, and it's very interesting how basically every corner of the globe has been represented in the applications that we've received. Some people are clearly very high levels of interest. Other people perhaps haven't got quite the academic qualifications we would like. So we're continuing to try and attract people to
L-Iskola Medika Barts bdiet topera fil-Gżira Awċija f'Settembru tal-2017 u ma' 59 studenti li fl-ewwel u t-tieni sena qegħdin jistudjaw f'Barts. Fost dawn l-istudenti hemm Marie Sophie Ġam, studenta li tinsab fit-tieni sena akademika ta' Barts. Marie Sophie kienet qiegħda tistudja fir-Renju Unit imma ħasset li opportunità tajba li tiġi tistudja f'Malta għal 5 snin.
I just wanted to study abroad, and then this opportunity arose here, so I thought, why not? Barts is a very well-established university in London, and I thought it was a great opportunity to come and study here in Malta for 5 years.
Ma' Marie Sophie naqat ukoll il-professur Anthony Warrens illi qal li dawn is-sena u 3 xhur kienu esperjenza fantastika għall-Iskola Medika ta' Barts.
It's been fantastic. It's really been fantastic. People have been very welcoming. It's been wonderful establishing our base here in Gozo, and the educational experiences of our students have been first class. So it's got off to a very good start.
Il-Ministru ta' Għawdex Justine Caruana qalet li l-Awċin huma kburin li qegħdin joffru l-aqwa esperjenza lil dawn l-istudenti u l-akademiċi.
Esperjenza pożittiva minn l-ewwel nett għaliex għandna l-Università ta' Barts qiegħda hawnhekk allura għandna SM importanti ġewwa Għawdex, però wkoll il-preżenza tagħhom tal-familji tagħhom u allura wkoll qed nippromovu l-aspett ta' turiżmu anke ekonomiku, ġifieri esperjenza li għandha diversi faċċati u xekk.
Is-sena li ġejja din l-Isptar Ġenerali ta' Għawdex se jitles tal-bini tal-Iskola Barts sabiex l-istudenti jibdew jitalmu minn din l-iskola.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.